Hi guys, welcome to the channel, and if this is your first time here, welcome to the lavish family.
Yeah, so we came to London to chill. Like we intend to get some stuff, get some things I've been looking out for.
We came here
for the
specifically
wedding.
for Precious.
Yeah, some shoes, so we decided to just check out some of the shops and then just have a fun day like here in London. So we decided to vlog it as well.
Yeah, so yeah, come along with us while we explore London.
For a nice loafer from your wedding. It's like a match up to this girl.
Oh, is it me you're getting married to?
If you see Jennifer's outfit, just says like, I just hope my tailors they meet up.
I'm sure they will.
Honestly, it looks so fine. I just need to get nice shoes.
And so we've been on the hunt for your shoes. We found one, but I think you said you still need like one or two more. So hopefully we get it in London.
We'll get there. That's where my tuxedo.
I'm still on the hunt for Precious's wedding shoe.
Give it that James Bond look.
007.
Okay, missus.
You have a shoe here. So much sure I like. Will you buy for me?
Let's see. And if I say she likes this smell.
I love it. I want this
face.
color. I want like a chocolate brown, and then I want the black one. Where? Which one do you want to see first? Cavella or the Maiden? Okay. Are you for me?
Like the female one.
Yeah, it's in front there. The one's the Maiden one I've always wanted, the black one.
Got myself
Yeah. I like how it's sparkling. Because you go with a lot of my dresses. And I also consider this one. Because this one seems like more comfortable. You guys, Precious has loved this shoe, but he's trying to decide if he can get it or get like a black one. I like the color though, but it just, like you said, you'll be selective.
I haven't seen the material in person.
Yeah.
So getting the shoe, if you get back to Nigeria and it doesn't fit, then that's a gamble.
And also because the shoe is quite distinct, it will be selective for you to use it afterwards.
So afterwards, so it will just be for the wedding. I don't mind though, but if I get it wrong with the color, then it won't be useful regardless.
Hard decision.
You
guys see.
You guys did any
3 options.
No, not yet. We're just trying to decide, like, which one we most likely might see. This is the first one, right?
Look how sparkly it is.
This is the second one.
Guys, which one do you prefer? I prefer that first one. You just showed it.
So for me, there's a way I like my loafers being shaped. Like this one just looks too. I don't like the shape
nice.
of my feet.
Test it.
But something like this.
Let's go to your side.
Like,
Let's go to your side. Let's see. I like this one more. Guys, look at it. It's sparkling.
They both
more.
sparkle.
This one sparkles more.
Okay. Yeah. Okay, no problem. Let's see. Let me keep this one.
Of course. Now I'm videoing myself when you pass.
Really though.
Look at the sparkle of it.
Like,
Yeah. It's a wedding. Let's be special. It looks really nice on your feet, huh?
Really nice,
Yeah, I don't know you.
yeah, but it looks nice now. Money though.
The wedding's here.
In Nigeria.
Oh my god.
And it's quite comfortable. Like, I feel like I can dance in them.
That's beautiful. Anyway, see, sometimes when you look, you say, no, that's a look now. But when you try it,
Yeah, it does.
that is so
And it goes with my shoe. I got the Savannah Hill in gold. Yeah.
It's like
Yeah.
You need to say, I'm here.
Yes, exactly.
You don't want to be the one hiding.
Nah, they need to know.
Very true. You don't find as well.
Yes. That's nice too. What do you like?
No, they both feel nice on the feet. Like,
Feel okay. Feel
to
good.
be honest, like, I really can't choose now. They're both nice. Like, initially I thought this was like really the best, but now I've tested
I
them.
guess he's going down on yourself.
Yeah.
We always
We win. We always get our way.
Yeah, that's true.
Yeah, I probably don't mind getting this one.
You can some water, bottle water.
Yes, I don't mind. Thank you. You guys, I convinced him I won. He's getting that one I like.
She won, so I'm going to get this one.
Yeah.
Finally, lady wins.
Finally got it.
This girl convinced me. But the shoe was nice though, the glittering one.
Yeah, it's so sparkly.
It suits what I want to pull off better. She's in charge.
Yeah. This is not bad.
I know those frames that look good on me. It's just once I see them, I'm going. But it's nice, especially by this side. Cute child. But it looks nice on you though.
I swear, I saw it online, but I've seen it in person. I want it. And it's not, the price is not around that one. I can't believe it just is £5 quality. I think I also really like this one.
I like the color.
Yeah. Simple as well.
Has that YSL feel.
Yeah. Look at the prices, Rihanna. This price is very so precious as cost. I'm now obsessed with brands.
Obsession.
Like, are you seeing?
Go.
You keep adding to my list because of you. It's your fault.
Go for it, baby.
You're right. It's your fault.
It's cute though. Love it. This one is nice as well.
Yeah, I really like this one. I like the color. Skin over.
$1,000 I could spend for your head. Talk on your words, I don't care what they said. Cause you're my top. Now you my one to carry for my head. Every night, now you are one to carry to my bed.
We most definitely did not come to shop for home, but guess what we're doing? Shopping for home things. Precious. Oh, that's nice actually.
Little thing. Love it.
We've seen like even an artwork that we really like. Oh baby, look at the lights you're looking for. On the sitting room. Yeah. And it's not so bad, 150.
You can put 100 on it. Anything I said, I stand on it. In a private lane, I stand on it. Who then they calling me Bangoli? Cause I walk around with a bang on me. Should have Gangnam Style with a gang on it. Snapping that's all I'm
Yeah. I needed to hear that shit. I hate when you're submissive. Passive aggressive when we're texting, I feel the distance. I look around at peers that's around me, these niggas tripping. I like when money makes a difference, but don't make you different. Started realizing a couple places I could take it. I want to get back to when I was that kid in the basement. I want to take it deeper than money, pussy, vacation. And influence a generation that's lacking in patience. I've been dealing with my dad.
Hi baby.
I thought you were cutting me off.
No, never. We're so hungry. We decided to come eat at this wok and stir fry place we ran into. We just stumbled upon it and excited.
That's correct.
Precious copied me. I wanted rice and Precious was getting rice too. Why are you always copying me?
that what you think?
That's what it is.
Oh, that's what I wanted.
Okay.
It was just a coincidence.
Coincidence? So excited for the future.
Yummy.
Come on.
Smoking hot. Like woke.
Straight from the walk.
Taking a walk in the park. My favorite thing to do.
Are you happy? Are you happy to be in the park?
Oui. I'm like a baby. We don't have pets too, but one thing I probably would have enjoyed if maybe
We have pets.
we had a dog. I think it's only a dog you walk.
A dog, no. That's the only thing that I would even consider. Which is
No, but as
unlikely.
pets go. It's not only dogs they walk. Do they walk other pets?
No, I don't think they do. But you can walk your
You
snake.
can't walk a cat. You
You
can't
can
walk.
walk your snake.
Is a snake a pet?
Yes, sorry, forget that. Fair.
Okay, so, but anyway, the point I was trying to make, because I don't really have much information about this, so if we had a pet that we could walk, I would have enjoyed it because I love taking walks, and then we love taking walks in the park.
And I feel like London, you are so lucky here because of all the parks you have here.
True.
Most
true.
cities don't have this.
And they're well maintained. Like all
Yeah.
the times we've been to London, like the parks, we always enjoy taking walks. 'Cause
Yeah.
it always has this serene, calming effect.
I'm sure you can hear the wind.
Trees, souls, and all that. Like seeing families, partners, like
Romance.
just doing their thing in the park, especially on a sunny day.
Yeah. Chef's kiss. Great to see. You know how much? Yes.
That's the only thing that makes it.
You know how much I love squirrels. Oh, they're so adorable. Just look at that. Where are you going to, Anthony? Named it Anthony. Come on, guys. Let me take it to my palace. I live in Buckingham Palace. Have I not mentioned that to you guys?
Take us to your castle.
See, you're a lucky man for Miami. Because now you get to live in this castle with me.
Yes, Your Highness.
Okay. Hi, sir.
No trip to London is complete without visiting the palace. Yeah, so we've come to pay our dues.
To the king.
Yeah.
Long live the king. First time trying limoncello. I wanted to try it. That was trying to Italy, but hey, there's no better time than now. And it's so nice, so refreshing.